This board was once a seed in the soil of a forest many years ago. It turned sunlight into energy and grew tall to compete for more light against its neighbors, at times bending in the breeze and at others standing strong against the force of storms. The tree was selected for its qualities and characteristics for a specific use. That use was likely many years ago, as the iron nails have given way to oxidization. It likely served its purpose for a while before some storm or years of neglect freed it from its attachments and sent it adrift in a river or perhaps a rising tide. The wood's soft growth worn down by the bashing waves, leaving the tougher wood and grains exposed, the hard knots of past branches jutting out like chiseled features. It once had a purpose, and now it is refined with more character, toughened by the salt of the sea and the experience of weathering storms, washed ashore to be repurposed. To some, something repurposed is inferior to something new. To others, something repurposed is a tangible connection from the past to something in the future. Something old made new again. Something not ruined by time, but made more beautiful, more unique, and something you cannot find at a local lumberyard. Something with stories. Something with intrinsic value. A natural piece of art sculpted by time. This board had a purpose. Now this board has a repurpose. But for right now, the purpose of this board is to tell the story.